Hello friends, welcome to the Programming Hub, and today this is another session on array carry forward technique. So previously we discussed one problem and we understood what is carry forward. So carry forward is something like we are going to carry in our some variable or something, and then we are going to forward that value to the array. Either it can be left side, right to left, or left to right. So we can say like we are carry forwarding the value or carry forwarding the answer. So that is basically carry forward technique actually. So last in our first session on carry forward, we found like how we can use this technique to reduce our time constraint from greater to lower actually, from O of n squared to O of n time complexity. So same way, we are going to talk about another problem today, that is called leaders in array, and we are going to see what can be the brute force and what can be the optimized approach. So first we will discuss about the problem, what this problem is saying and what it is expecting from us. So leaders in array, so given one array, they will be giving one array of n, right? Now we have to count number of leaders in array. Now how the value can be called as a leaders? So for that, an element is a leader if it is strictly greater than all the elements on the right side. Okay, so we will understand with the example. And another note is there, array of n minus 1 is always going to be a leader. So meaning that, let's say it is 0 index, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So basically n equals to 8. So n minus 1 is 7. So this value means 3 is always a leader. Last value is always a leader. So we can say for any array, if array is having any value, one leader will be present always. Okay. And then after that, we have to find out how many other leaders are available. So any array, any number of value containing, it is containing always one leader will be available, because the condition is saying all the right hand side value must be lesser than that particular value. Okay, let's see. So if we see this 15, so this is leader of array. Why? Because 1 is lesser, minus 1 is lesser, 7 is also lesser, 4 is also lesser, 2 is also lesser, I mean all the things are lesser. So we can see we have another leader, that is a 15. Minus 1 is lesser than 7, 4, lesser than 7 and 4, and that cannot be a leader. So if we mark with some other, so we won't mark which is not leader. 7. So you can see 4, 2, 5, 2, 3 all are lesser than 7. So you can say this is a leader. Okay. 4 is lesser than 5. So 4 cannot be a leader. 2 is lesser than 5. So 2 cannot be a leader. 5 is not lesser than any element which is on the right hand side. So we can say this is a leader. 2 is also not leader because 3 is greater than 2. So you can say at last the answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 leaders in this array. Any problem? I think you got the question, what it is saying. Let me take another example. Then you will be having more clarity on the problem. Okay, let me take another value. Let's say we have 8 minus 2, 4, 7, 6, 5 and 1. And now we will find 8 is a leader. Yes, 8 is a leader. Minus 2 is a leader. No. 4 is leader. No. 7 is leader. Yes, 7 is leader. 6 is leader. Yes, 6 is leader. Why 6 is leader? Because 5 and 1 are lesser than 6. 5 is leader. Yes, 5 is also a leader. and 1 is also leader. 1 is already told by the question itself. N minus 1 index will be always leader. So 1 is also a leader, and if we will say what will be the answer for this array, sorry, is 5 this time. So this is what we have to find out. Okay, I think you all got the idea what we are trying to achieve here. Okay, so now we will write the idea. What we can do to find the leaders in array. So simply for every element, iterate on right side. We have to fix one element, and if that element itself is a greater, get max and compare. If that comparison is getting successful and it is a leader, then we have to increase the counter, and at last you will be having the number of leaders in array. Okay, what I am trying to say. So let's say we have array, same array we are talking about. So we have to fix this 8 as a leader, and when first we will see, think this as a leader only, and then we are going to check if any value is coming out to be a greater than that fixed value, then we will come out from the loop and say that is not a leader, right? Okay, let me write the code, then you will get more clarity on that. So now first we are going to write the pseudo code for brute force. Pseudo code. So we have to give the count, right? So what it will return count. So let me write the method name is a count leaders. We will be having given with array, correct? So let me get the length of array first. Array dot length, and initially I told one leader will be always present in array. Okay, so I'm taking C as a 1. Okay, now I have to start one loop. For I equals to 0, I should go less than n and I plus plus. Okay, any problem till now? I don't think so. And let me think, this is a max value. Max equals to array of I. Okay, and I will keep one flag, and I will think like this is a leader only. So I will make it true. So for true, I am taking as a 1. Okay. If any value is greater than this max, then I will change this flag to 0 once again. So what I should do now? I should start from j equals to I plus 1. J should go till less than n and j plus plus. Okay. Any problem till now? Okay. Now what I should do? I should make if max is lesser than array of j, meaning that which value you have initialized is not a greater for all the from in the right hand side actually. So somebody is there which is greater than this also. So what I will do? I will make flag as a 0, and I will come out from the inner loop. Come out, I came out, and then what I should do? I should close the inner loop, and I should check if flag is 0, meaning that, sorry, flag is 1, meaning that this condition is not true for any of the case. And if it is not true, it means that the value which I have initialized initially is a leader actually. Okay, So what I should do here, I should increase the counter count. I have taken C, right? So let me increase the C and close the outer loop, and I should return C. Very simple. Okay. And let me make the circle for this. Let me make this. Okay. Any problem? I don't think so. And at last, what we used to do? We used to find the, sorry, we used to find the time complexity. That is a mandatory one. So if you are going for brute force, this loop is running for n times, and this loop also may run for n times also. Okay, it will run 0 to sorry 1 to n, then 2 to n, then 3 to n. Okay, but in terms of O, big O, we always say it will run for n times. So this is running for n times, and inner loop is also running for n times. So n into n, meaning that n square, and we are not taking any extra space. So this will be O of n, sorry, O of 1. So this is the pseudocode for brute force. Okay, now our task to somehow reduce the time complexity. Okay, can we do that? Let me take another page for that. So we will go for optimized approach. Optimized. Sorry. Okay. Let me pull the array this time. I will cut this array. Yes, I can paste it. Okay. So this is my array. So what I can do now to optimize it? So once again, if you would have seen my last class, then basically what I used to do, I used to start from the right to left. Okay, and I know array of n minus 1 is always leader. So I will think this is a leader. Okay, and then I will compare this value. Okay, if this is greater than previous value, I will think this is a leader, and I will increase my count also, and I will replace my max from 1 to 5. Same way I will do here also. If this is greater than 5, meaning that this is greater than all other value which is right hand side. Okay, then what I will do, I will make the count increment, and then I will make my maximum value as a 6. Same way here also, if it is greater than 6, it means that all other value are present after right hand side 6 will be lesser, because we have done like that. So we will increase the count, and then what I will do, I will replace my max to 7. If it is in, if 4 is maximum than 7, then I will do the same, but this is not the case. If it is not greater, then what I will do, I will simply skip this, and I will go to same way, I will do this like that. Okay, so automatically I will think this is my leader array, and then I will start from the right hand side, and I will carry the maximum value and the count actually. Okay, so what I am trying to say here. Okay, this approach is very easy, you can see. So you know, initially count will be 1. Why? Because every array will have one leader at least. Okay, and this time I'm thinking my max is array of n minus 1. You know how to find the n and all. I already given idea in previous example. What I'm going to do, I will start my loop from n minus 2 this time. So I'm starting from here. I will go till greater than equals to 0 and I have to decrement by 1. Okay, what I told in my lecture, I will try to compare array of ith value. If it is greater than my max, then what I will do, first I will increment the count. I got another leader in array and I will replace my max to array of I. Very simple. Okay, and then I will close my if block, I will close my loop block, and at last I will have the count of leaders in array and I will return the count. Any problem? Okay, so this time how many loops is running? Only one, and that two from where? N minus 2 to 0. So almost it is running for n times. Okay, so what I can say, the time complexity for this program will be O of n, and the space complexity will be O of 1 because we are not taking any extra space. So once again, what we have done, we have carried our answer once again. We have carried max to from right side to left, and we have carried the count also from right to left. So once again, we are carrying and forwarding same value to the other part of array. We are carrying and forwarding the value to the other part of array. So this is all about carry. Another this is the another program we have showed we have shown by using the carry forward technique actually. So basically what we have done, we have reduced our time complexity from O of n square to linear time, and linear approach is always very good. If we are able to do some more, then that will be very good, but I think this is the best approach to find the leaders in array. I hope you would have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe and share. And in next video, I will come with another program to make you understand, make use of carry forward technique in better way also. Okay. So till then, thank you. Bye bye. And please press the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.